So I have some plans for today. We'll see what I actually do or not. I have a lot of plans. Definitely not enough time for me to do everything I want to do. First off, I need to head to Daiso because they're not 24 hours and everything else I'm doing is actually pretty late. So I'll head over to Daiso first. Get some gifts over there.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up.
And I got a bunch of gifts for people. And I still got a lot of shopping to do, but I got other things to do before I do more shopping. The other stores I'm trying to go to are 24 hours anyways, so I'm not too worried about it. I guess I'm pulling an all-nighter. It's gonna be like Bangkok, but less crazy, hopefully. Alright, I'm back at the hotel. Just gotta drop off a few things and then head out. Stuff I just bought. Use the bathroom, got my bag, got everything I need, I think. Alright, so let's go.
Should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Would you be? Cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
Alright, I got a better looking pass today. Chippendale rather than my Minnie Mouse from yesterday. It doesn't matter, but it's cool though. So I'm back at Disney. I actually had some things to do today. My girlfriend convinced me to just check it out. So I'm not gonna spend the whole day here like I did yesterday, but I want to get a taste of it. Hey, check this out. Alright, see what's next. Got rid of this ride over at Disney World, but it's still here, so let's see if it's the same. This one was more of like a Laugh Factory, Monsters Inc. Laugh Factory, but in Japanese, so I understood nothing. I didn't get the jokes. Some of it was so funny though that I got. I'm sorry everyone. I'm barely made it on the board. L3. I was looking at everyone else's score. I got destroyed by everyone. Except for the person beside me, who was no one. And I barely beat them. Alright, see what's next. So there seems to be a lot of renovation happening around here. So like a lot of walls, a lot of bushes up. So I'm not sure what's actually open right now. And it closed at 7 today, so I should be able to ride everything if everything's shut down. good news is I finally ate. You don't have to hear me complain about being hungry anymore. Oh, Jesus. Get wet, so I don't really want to ride Splash Mountain. Okay. It's cold. I'm wet. Man, my hair's all jacked up. But I just noticed that they don't do pin trading over here like they do back home. I'm not sure why that is. They do sell pins, but they don't do pin trading though. I'm sure the Jungle Cruise jokes will be just as funny in Japanese. I pretty much know what the jokes are.
楽しいジャングルの旅片道切符プレゼント出発あっという間に1週間も経ちましたここはカバのように大きな口を開けて力を貸してください
Take this poultry some as a start.
So I just heard Pirates Caribbean, and I noticed that towards the end that my lens was foggy the whole time. But I meant to do that. I was trying to do a artistic look to it. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing next. Head back to Tomorrowland.